How to fix Google Play services not working on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through on how to fix Google Play services not working on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, restart your device. This may seem simple, but restarting your phone can often fix minor software glitches. To do that, hold the power button on your device and then simply swipe towards restart and restart your device. Next thing, you need to update Google Play services. To do that, open settings on your phone. Now scroll down and navigate to apps. Select app management. Tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in Google Play services. Open its app info section and tap on storage uses. Now tap on clear cache. And once you have done that, you need to come back and open Google Play Store. Now look for Google Play services and check if there is any updates available. If there is any updates, you simply need to update it to the latest version. Now you can simply factory reset your device. A factory reset will erase all your data, so back up your important files first. Open settings on your device. Navigate to the search bar and type in reset. List of options will available. You simply need to select reset phone. Now tap on erase all data and enter your lock screen password. And now select erase data. And by following these methods, your issues should be resolved with Google Play services. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.